Hey everyone. Welcome back to Future Tech Insights. If you're looking for the best website hosting platform that's affordable, reliable, and packed with features, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Hostinger, one of the most popular hosting services. We'll cover why you should choose it, its pros and cons, and whether it's the right fit for you. So, let's get started. So the first question comes to mind, that why choose Hostinger? Number 1. Affordable pricing, as Hostinger offers some of the most budget-friendly plans in the industry, perfect for beginners and small businesses. Number 2. Fast performance, as with light-speed servers and caching technology, websites load quickly, improving user experience and SEO. Number 3. Easy-to-use interface, because their custom control panel, H-panel, is beginner-friendly, making website management super easy. Number 4. Freebies included, which means that you get a free domain, free SSL certificate, and free website migration, saving you money. Number 5. 24/7 customer support, as live chat and support agents are available around the clock to help with any issues. Now let's talk about pros and cons of using Hostinger. Starting with pros, it offers budget-friendly pricing with frequent discounts, fast loading times with optimized servers, user-friendly control panel, great for beginners, free SSL, domain, and site migration, 30-day money-back guarantee. Here's some of its cons are as: no free daily backups on basic plans, you need to upgrade for automatic backups, no phone support, only live chat. Limited resources on entry-level plans. Now let's discuss who is Hostinger best for. So the answer is for beginners and small businesses. If you need an affordable and easy-to-use hosting solution. Bloggers and portfolio websites, results in fast performance and great uptime for personal projects. E-commerce and WordPress users with WooCommerce support and powerful hosting plans. And NBSP, if you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and feature-packed hosting provider, Hostinger is a solid choice. Check out the link in the description for the best deals and discounts. Have you used Hostinger before? Let me know your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech-related reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.